throw that up. As I fly over you, look on your shoulder. Look it, I'm chicken. That was it. You just, yeah, you just blew your. Never mind. You just laid your egg. I won't even look. Won't even look. Don't even think about it. Everybody's trying to talk. You guys all want a piece of the chicken, huh? Go to KFC then. $20, you missed. Hey, hello. You couldn't hit anything. You used up all your throws. Yeah, your limelight is over. Want me to lay an egg while you throw? Wait. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Gets one more.